Piloting drones is a relatively new activity that most people are starting to explore. We wanted to design a drone that introduced as many people as possible to the first-person view drone experience without breaking the bank. Introducing a whole new flight experience. The Bolt is an innovative and versatile first-person view drone available at a radical price. It's a complete, ready-to-fly, out-of-the-box solution that's easy and safe to pilot. The drone for everyone. There are 3 ways to fly. First, for beginners, to start flying, simply turn on the drone and turn on the controller. The two will sync up and pair, and you can take off. The drone features altitude stabilization and a beginner's mode that makes picking up the basics a breeze. Learn how to safely and confidently maneuver and control your drone. Next, for those ready to expand their horizons, attach the screen to the controller and start piloting the drone further away. Simply turn on the drone and the screen. The camera on the drone will automatically sync and broadcast a live high-definition feed. Mount the screen on the controller and you're ready to go. Finally, for those ready for the full first-person view experience, swap the screen into the goggles and prepare for a whole new flight experience. Immerse yourself into the world of FPV piloting and cruise around high in the sky. Or try your hand at FPV drone racing and experience the incredible excitement from every twist and turn. Drone racing is a new and exciting sport that is quickly growing around the world. Using FPV goggles, pilots race their drones around courses to compete for the fastest times. It is truly the sport of the future. The Bolt can be used to experience drone racing at a fraction of the current price. It's an exciting virtual reality flying experience. The Bolt drone was designed and tested in Los Angeles by a team of expert product designers, aerospace engineers, and drone enthusiasts. It's built on a carbon fiber frame that offers unmatched performance and durability. The HD camera provides crystal clear video and photos, and the battery easily slides in and out for quick swapping. The drone design is modular, so that individual parts can be replaced. The result is a highly maneuverable, lightweight, and aerodynamic drone. The Bolt features a unique and innovative FPV viewing system that allows seamless transition from traditional viewing on the controller to FPV viewing using goggles. We're excited to offer the Bolt drone at a radical price. Traditionally, consumers purchase their drones at a high price point since importers, wholesalers, and retailers mark up the price of a drone up to 500%. By cutting out the middlemen, we are able to sell directly to you and pass on the savings. The Bolt drone was designed to introduce as many people as possible to first-person view piloting and racing without breaking the bank. With our finished prototypes ready for production, we're here on Kickstarter to raise the money we need for our first batch. With Bolt drones, we want to make first-person view piloting and racing accessible to everyone. With your support, this can be the start of something big.
Seemee is different from anything on the market right now in the sense that it solves the problem of how you control the entire flying, movie and image capture process from a single device. What it does is make flying easier by bringing automation of those systems inside of the flyer and allows you to concentrate on where you want the vehicle to be, the images and video you want to capture, and then to be able to rapidly share it with your friends. My name is Mark Richardson. I'm in charge of Polyhelo, which is a group of great engineers and enthusiasts building drones for people to take photographs of themselves, the environment, and just generally have fun with. I'm a former planetary scientist, and I was involved with NASA in exploration of the solar system. What's really exciting about Polyhelo is the opportunity to bring a lot of those technologies that we used in getting vehicles to land on Mars and to orbit around Venus, and use those to make personal flyers easier to use.
Seemee is the first networked camera drone you control seamlessly from a single mobile app. Seemee's 1080p HD camera is housed inside of Seemee, extending down from the flyer at takeoff and retracting when it lands. Seemee is a lightweight, compact, and portable drone. You can take it anywhere in a traditional camera bag. Seami's legs detach easily for travel and storage, part replacement, and for future component upgrades. Seami has multiple flight modes, including orbit, pano, follow, and manual control. Seami can orbit clockwise or counterclockwise around you. In pano mode, Seami will remain in a fixed position while turning and capturing amazing panoramic shots. For follow mode shots, Seami includes an attachable water and sweat-proof tracking device. This rugged GPS tracker enables you to put your mobile device down and focus completely on your task. In follow mode, Seami will adjust to your position, as well as to increases and decreases in speed, so you don't even have to think about Seami. When flying Seami manually, you can select where you want the flyer to go next. Just enter your chosen destination, and Seami will take off and wait there for you. And your aerial video and photos will be completely stable, because Seami's in-house camera unit is controlled on a unique 2-axis micro gimbal, which automatically adjusts itself at every turn.
So the Oshima Core is a flight control computer at the heart of Seami. It's a powerful little computer that takes care of all the flight control algorithms, figuring out how to keep the vehicle stable, its ability to understand where up and down is, when it's moving strongly in one direction, and it plugs into the GPS system, allowing for a full navigation solution.
While in flight, Seami allows you to live feed videos straight to your mobile device. Then you can instantly upload your videos and images to any social media platform with an open API. You can share your video and grow your social following before Seami touches down.
DIY Clip Drone. Its basic form is made of the building blocks. The perfect fit of building blocks makes it more solid. Anti-drop ability is more significant. It has a fixed module flight to make it more stable. It is also equipped with Wi-Fi camera, making the real-time map transmission possible. A motor propeller is attached to a clip. The design of bottom motor cover makes it more convenient to replace the motor and more solid. You can pick up paper cup, install the motherboard, battery, and make your paper cup fly. Of course, you can also install that on the aircraft model. You can also go to challenge more impossible things. Achieve many seemingly impossible things. This is the Clip Drone that allows you to achieve true DIY significance.
Skytech L600 lets you enjoy an extraordinary flight in the sky. Foldable wing design with elegant black body. It's easy to carry and control. By using 2.4 technology, many players can enjoy the flying at the same time without interference. One of the great features of L600 is the stabilization function of optical flow. Even if in the ever-changing landscape, you can still enjoy a stable flight. It also has pressure altitude hold function for even more stable and safety flight. When the aircraft is out of sight, you can press the left stick on the remote control to start the buzzer of the aircraft and retrieve the aircraft according to the buzzing sound. Another core feature is that its cool drone can automatically follow objects in motion. No matter a small object, at close range or a large object like vehicle, all can be tracked. It has equipped with L600 high-definition camera, so you can easily capture the most beautiful sight and shoot high-quality images or videos and enjoy them by Wi-Fi real-time transmission. Also, with the optical flow technology, images or videos quality will definitely impress you. Skytech L600 brings you a whole new world of beauty.
Hello, I'm Agris.
And I'm Edgars. We are the founders of AirDog.
We have got some big news about AirDog, and there was no doubt we want to share it here on Kickstarter first.
AirDog is a tight family of passionate innovators and adventurers, and we love what we do. We wanted to document our experiences in the outdoors.
So we started AirDog with the dream to create a hands-free video capture. What was once reserved for elite athletes with a film crew can now be done by yourself anywhere and hands-free. We changed the game with AirDog 1 by eliminating the traditional remote control, going hands-free.
Countless hours of user content, independent AirDog forums, and a steady stream of flight log updates from the AirDog 1 played a major role in the development of the AD2. Flight performance and versatility is what puts AD2 in a class of its own. Now you can capture the world around you in the most challenging conditions.
Our goal was to deliver the best hands-free camera drone on the market.
There are many new advancements that we incorporate in the AD2. Revolutionary, industry-first, customizable flight paths allow the user to set and save a 3D follow line with alternating altitudes that provide precise obstacle avoidance. 5 preset scenic capture modes allow you to document the world around you. Flight and camera movements are synchronized to provide a unique and perfectly timed shot.
The durable, lightweight, waterproof air-leash tracking device allows for easy mid-action control. The all-new backlit LCD interface allows the user to read the display even in the harshest sunlight. The advanced camera stabilization system brings ultra-smooth, pro-grade video capture with every shot, every time, regardless of the subject's change in direction, elevation, or speed. The AD2 integration with GoPro 5 camera ensures automatic start and stop of recording, as well as charging the GoPro battery.
The battery has a redesigned housing and a more advanced power management system, providing high safety and longer flight times. We have completely redesigned the entire electronics and software, guaranteeing an easy, out-of-the-box flight experience that gets you airborne in a couple of minutes.
No doubt, the pursuit of hands-free, intelligent technology is extremely challenging. We already have 250 units in production that are shipping in August. Your support is essential, not only to a successful release of the AD2, but more importantly, it guarantees our continued development of this new and untapped territory.
Everybody has a story to tell, and so do you. The more you share, the more you inspire. So keep creating, keep inspiring.